Hey guys, this video is mainly for family and friends that I have maybe not updated on what's going on, or just maybe they forgot or I forgot and stuff like that. But it's also a good opportunity to update my subscribers who aren't related to my family or friends to know what's up with me. So you guys probably noticed that my uploading schedule is non-existent, but I did want to become more consistent about it before my plans for Japan changed. Also, as you can see, this video is not going to be edited or scripted, so I'm very sorry, but I'll try my best to be consistent about my speaking. Also understandable. You'll have subtitles, so you'll be fine. Anyways, as you can see from the title of this video, which yes, is a little clickbaity, but you'll forgive me, I am leaving the share house. The reason is nothing negative or serious. It's just that my plans completely changed. My original plan for Japan was to be here for 6 months, from around January to around the end of June, and then return to Israel. But that got completely changed by both the virus situation and because I just really wanted to stay here for longer. I really enjoyed my school back then, and I wanted to continue as much as I can because I really enjoyed my Japanese studies and I loved my friends in the share house and in the school. But recently, like a month ago, I felt like I'm a little done with school because the virus meant that there is no new students coming to school, which meant the school was trying to reduce the sizes of classes. And that created this really weird mesh of two different levels having to be in the same class and studying one or the other level. And usually what happened is that one of the semesters I was actually kind of pulled up into a higher level than what I'm supposed to be in. And the next time I was pulled down into the level that I missed on in order to catch up. But for me, that was already super easy. Like I was actually being fine in the higher level as well. So I actually wanted to be in a higher level this time, but unfortunately they didn't let me really. So I ended up doing a level that is kind of a little easy for me. And I heard from the school that the next semester is going to be kind of the same. Pretty much I'll be reviewing a level that I've already finished and passed. So that really convinced me, that really pushed me into deciding to quit the school and just taking some time off to do what I also wanted to do in Japan, which was travel and then just fly back to Israel. So I think this is the first time I'll be staying, but my forecasted return to Israel will probably be in the middle of November. I still don't know because I don't have a ticket, but once I do have a ticket, I will update. So I want to take this time to also update about my channel because, as I said, I have been updating before this and I wanted to upload some more videos, but I kind of just was so busy with planning the trip and quitting the school and everything else that I just didn't have time to finish editing, finish all the final touches and upload. So that's why it's been a month now that I have not uploaded again. But I am planning on trying to be more consistent from now on. Even though I will be traveling, I made sure that my travel plans kind of aren't too difficult. So I have most of the evenings free, or some more time to edit, upload, record, and stuff like that. Obviously, all of my travels will also be recorded and uploaded eventually to YouTube, which I hope you guys will enjoy. For anything that you want to be updated on daily, I would recommend, if you're interested, to follow my Instagram and my Twitter, which I'll leave in the description below. And there I'll be updating daily, or maybe not daily, on things that I'm doing, what's up, what my plans are. You'll just be a lot more updated than with the YouTube channel, because editing a video and uploading is a lot more difficult. Like, it's harder work than just posting a story or posting a tweet. So, and if you're family and friends, I'll obviously be writing to you. I think that's it. So I'll see you in the next video, which should be the Kiyotaki River adventure hike thing. But yeah, there's so much things coming. There's another video that I've pre-recorded from here as well. So I hope you'll enjoy that. And yeah, as I said, I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.